In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on your Dell laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, open the Start menu and type Microsoft Store in the search bar. Then click on it to launch the app. Once it opens, select the Apps section from the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a wide range of applications available for download. Some apps are free, while others may require payment. You can scroll through different categories to explore what's available, or if you already know what you're looking for, simply use the search bar at the top. For example, if you want to download LinkedIn, type LinkedIn into the search box and select it from the results. Then, click the Install button to begin downloading the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Start menu again, search for LinkedIn, and click on it to launch. And that's it. It's that simple to download apps on your Dell laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.